Welcome to Calvince Online Math. Let us look at this nice equation. Solve for x, and you have log to base 2 of x plus log to base x of 2 is equal to 2. So remember that when you have the log to base a of b, that is the same as 1 over log to base b of a. So we can rewrite this as log to base 2 of x plus 1, and write this one as log to base 2 of x, and that's equal to 2. So now you just let this common factor, this common value be y. So you say let y be equal to that log to base 2 of x. So now we just substitute wherever there is this, we put y. So it means we're going to have y plus 1 over y is equal to 2. So now you can just multiply all through by y to remove this particular fraction. Multiply by y. So when you do that, we're going to have y squared plus 1 is equal to 2y. And when you rearrange this, you're going to have y squared minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So now this is a quadratic equation which you can just solve using any method. So let us use factorization. Look for two numbers whose sum is the same as b, and in our case b is negative 2. And their product is the same as a times c, that is 1 in this case. So those two numbers are negative 1 and negative 1. Then split b into these two so that you have y squared minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. If that is the case, then the common factor here is y. So you have into y minus 1, and you expect y minus 1 this side, and you have a positive 1. It means you multiply negative 1 by negative 1, and that's equal to 0. So what you have is y minus 1 times y minus 1, and that's equal to 0, meaning that y is equal to 1. But remember, you said that y was the same as log to base 2 of x. So that is what we found to be equal to 1. So you can just rewrite this in index notation, where the base is 2, the power is 1, and that's equal to x. So it means x is equal to 2. So the solutions are x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.